Wagwan. Rastafari, they believe clean living, ital food and those things, natural herbal remedies. They speak positive, like them will say, full joy yourself instead of enjoy. And then we say, happy earth strong, yeah, instead of saying happy birthday. They put like a positive and uplifting spin on words. Yeah, Rasta is about positivity and thing. Well, like me, what me call myself? I know. Me I want them independent Rasta. I don't know if I call myself. I'm not really Rastafarian, but I practice some of the things that Rastafarian do, like the natural eating, natural living, not to the T. So I'm not a Rastafarian, right? In the real sense of it. But I respect them culture, them movement, them religion. I respect it. I'm gonna tell you, so me have family where a Rastafari. So, I grew up among them and other Rastafarians. I know me respect how them people them move, how they live, how the real Rastaman them. Yeah, respect.